Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you real, honest reviews of beauty products that actually work. Today, we're looking at a product that's been making waves in the skincare world, COSRX Snail Mucin 92% Face Moisturizer. If you've ever wondered how to achieve soft, glowing skin without feeling sticky, this one might be for you. Stick around because I'll be diving into its features, how it performs, and whether it's worth adding to your skincare routine. First off, let's talk about the product itself. The COSRX Snail Mucin 92% Face Moisturizer is a lightweight gel-type cream that promises to hydrate, soothe, and repair the skin. Infused with 92% Snail Secretion Filtrate, this moisturizer aims to strengthen your skin's moisture barrier and give your skin that glowing radiance we all crave. Now, if you're familiar with Snail Mucin, you know that it's a powerhouse ingredient packed with collagen, elastin, glycolic acid, and allantoin. These work together to not only hydrate, but also gently exfoliate the skin, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to repair their skin after breakouts or irritation. I've been using this cream for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, it feels incredibly lightweight. It glides onto the skin effortlessly, almost like a gel, and doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. That's a big plus if you're someone who hates feeling like your skin is coated with product. The texture is smooth, and it absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling soft and refreshed without being greasy. In terms of real-world usage, this moisturizer worked well during my morning and evening routines. I applied it after cleansing and toning, and it sat nicely under makeup during the day. I've also used it at night, and I wake up with skin that feels plump and hydrated. For anyone who's dealing with irritated skin from a breakout or sensitivity, this product can really help soothe and calm things down. I also noticed that my skin had a bit more radiance, which I definitely appreciated. Now, like with any product, there are a few things to consider. On the plus side, this moisturizer is packed with effective ingredients like snail mucin and hyaluronic acid, which are well known for their hydrating and repairing benefits. It's also hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, so it's suitable for sensitive skin. However, one thing to keep in mind is that while the cream is hydrating, it may not be rich enough for those with very dry skin. If your skin tends to be on the drier side, you might want to layer this with a heavier moisturizer or facial oil for added hydration. Is this product worth the price? Let's break it down. At $352 odds, it comes at a relatively mid-range price point for a K-beauty product, especially one with such high concentrations of snail mucin. Considering the benefits, hydration, soothing, and gentle exfoliation, it's a good deal. However, if you're looking for a budget option, there are some other moisturizers out there with similar ingredients, but they might not have the same concentration of snail mucin. So if you're specifically looking for Snail Mucin's unique benefits, this one is worth the investment. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The jar keeps the product secure, though I do wish it came in a more hygienic pump packaging. That's just a personal preference since I tend to worry about contamination with jar packaging, but it hasn't been an issue so far. The product itself is easy to scoop out, and a little goes a long way. If you're still on the fence about purchasing, I would recommend checking out some alternatives in the K-beauty market. There are other moisturizers with snail mucin, like the Mizan Snail Recovery Gel Cream or the Benton Snail Bee High Content Steam Cream, which are also highly regarded for their hydrating and repairing benefits. While these may be slightly cheaper, COSRX stands out because of its high concentration of snail mucin. So, what's the final verdict? I have to say, COSRX Snail Mucin 92% Face Moisturizer lives up to its claims. It's a great option for anyone looking to hydrate, repair, and soothe their skin with an ingredient that's both effective and gentle. If you're dealing with irritation, redness, or just want that extra glow, this moisturizer is definitely worth considering. However, if you have very dry skin, you may need a little extra moisture on top. Before I go, thank you so much for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. The link to purchase this product is in the comments below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Did it work as well for you as it did for me? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.